I did my law and my Master of Computer Applications. So I know many things very well, Sudhanshuji. You can laugh on us, you can demean us, but one thing is there. Your MP Tejasvi Surya said it on the television to Arnav Goswami ji that the Modi ji is now rewriting the rules of the game. That is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
He is rewriting everything. And the public of the country will rewrite the future of BJP.
Sir, all this is kitabi
You
baatein.
want to say that all the
ये किताबी बातें हैं.
ये किताबी बातें उन्होंने बोला.
आप
If you don't want to believe, don't.
That is what I'm saying.
Uday dada, intervening,
all the
Uday dada,
existing polls are wrong.
Uday dada, 1 minute, Uday dada, yeah. What
Yeah,
did
I'm
you say?
saying so.
That is what you're saying indirectly.
Uday dada in the
Haven't
middle.
encountered-
1 minute, 1 minute.
What you're saying indirectly, without saying in
Uday,
so many
actually,
words.
Actually, let me tell you one thing.
Basically, Arnab, this is a vote for Modi's good governance, his
Save
performance,
the words for 4 June,
his
sir.
performance on national security. Mind you, this is the first election after a removal of 370. So there was a section of the media who projected this in a manner where many people got misled.
You see, yeah,
The truth was never the same.
yeah.
The date is
And,
1st June.
thirdly,
Yeah,
the way,
We
many people
are-
are questioning
he is debating
Mr.
like this is
Modi's
the
plank
poorest
on Hindu-Muslim issue.
No.
That is proved correct.
I'd say one thing to you, Uday dada. And Sudhanshu will respond to Ratnakar Tripathi, and I will get Romesh Sabarwal also. Let there be 2 Congress leaders versus 1 BJP leader on my program tonight. नहीं एक मिनट ये सब
One
आप
BJP
हम बहुत
leader and too many BJP supporters.
2 Congress leaders and 1 BJP leader.
And too many BJP supporters.
Sudhanshu Trivedi with Ratnakar on one side and Ramesh Sabarwal ji on the other. खुलकर डिबेट होगी, मैं अपने आप को दूर कर दूंगा. मैं एक बात कहूंगा रमेश सबरवाल जी, आपकी सब कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया आपके लिए. जो SC, ST, OBC वोट बैंक के लिए आपने इतना कास्ट सेंसस की बात कही, अकॉर्डिंग टू द PMark सर्वे, अनिमेश इधर बैठे हुए हैं, BJP is getting 49% of SC votes, 43% of ST votes, 59% of OBC votes. And these figures must be seen in the light of opposition's repetitive demands to add Muslims in the OBC reservation quota. Do you understand that, sir? So this, along with that, you are now basically a Muslim-centric party, which is good. 3 out of every 4 Muslims in the country vote for Congress party. You are more popular among Muslims than All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin or Samajwadi or any other. You are the first number 1 choice for Muslims. But that Muslim focus may affect your politics. You are become a Kerala-centric Muslim-focused party. Is that what you wanted the Indian National Congress to become? Mrs. Sabarwal, I have added facts to you. कुछ personal respond मत करिए और सुधांशु जी के साथ डिबेट करिए. टेक मी ऑफ द स्क्रीन. प्रोड्यूसर मुझे बाहर करिए. ये डिबेट करें, डायरेक्टली करें. आप सुधांशु जी को बोलिए.
Congress party is equal for everyone.
No,
we never gone for any religion and all that. We never thought. When we fought for the independence also, we tried to unite the Britishers, which they were doing at that time also. They were dividing the Congress, the Muslims and Hindus, you know. We don't believe in that. And घर में एक छोटा बच्चा होता है, जब बड़ा बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा मारता है तो छोटा बच्चा थोड़ा इंसिक्योर हो जाता है और इंसिक्योर होकर वो अर्नब जैसे फादर होते हैं उनके पास आ जाता है. तो ऐसे है, अगर लोगों को लगता है कि वी आर सेकुलर, वी ट्रीट एवरीबडी इक्वली, इसीलिए मुस्लिम्स का थोड़ा सा हमारी तरफ झुकाव हो सकता है.
क्या और मुस्लिम्स का 72% मुस्लिम्स आर वोटिंग फॉर.
सेकुलरिज्म है ना, ये तो सेकुलरिज्म है. आज कोई कमजोर उनको लगता है
हिंदू सेकुलर नहीं है.
38% of Muslims are not voting for Congress according to your statistics.
ये नया लॉजिक है कांग्रेस का कि मुस्लिम सेकुलर है, हिंदू सेकुलर नहीं है.
तो मैंने कहा बोला कि नहीं है.
That is your logic.
मैंने आप लोग सुनना ही नहीं चाहते हो. प्रॉब्लम तो ये है कि आप लोग कोई बात को लॉजिकली एंड तक पहुंचाने नहीं देते हो. कांग्रेस के लोगों को बोलने नहीं देते हो. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ.
Suhail said he's saying something.
Suhail, you are muted.
No, I'm not muted. You must have muted me. See, what the gentleman said is that Congress is a secular party. Fair.
Yeah.
Let me tell you with due respect, sir. In the good old days, if a Hindu said he was Hindu, he was seen as communal. You had to say we love Muslims, we love Parsi, we love Christians and all in order for you to be understood to be secular. Correct. So it was almost as if the majority was to feel guilty about being the majority. A, B. I was born and raised in Calcutta. That was not the Calcutta of appeasement. That was a genuinely secular and equal Calcutta. We didn't ask Gotra kya hai, caste kya hai, jati kya hai, religion kya hai, mazhab kya hai. What has happened today is the Congress and some of its allies have brought this into play, which is why I think I'm glad that Arnav is catching the bull by its horns.
Yeah, I will.
It is time to address the gorilla in the room.
No, it is
because the situation is as such that you people, at times, I'm not saying everyone in Congress is non-secular, at times there is an appeasement that happens from you, but you all are very sophisticated. See, the difference between the Congress and Mamata Banerjee is sophistication. It's the difference between Oxford and a fake Harvard degree. So, Mamata is also doing appeasement, but she gets caught up. You all do it in such a fine way that you don't get
I
caught.
now want to, I now, absolutely good point. Now Sudhanshu Trivedi will respond out here. Viewers, we've had some initial rounds of arguments. It is fair we give the BJP a chance to respond.